Hello, citizens of Earth, and welcome to the third episode of The Nameless Show. I am your humble narrator, the Madman, and today we're going to be looking at a video from the Flat Earth Association. This video claims to be the best flat Earth proof. Alright, so here's the first clue. These people know nothing about science, because in science, there's no such thing as 100% truth. There's simply the best explanation at a given point in time. And it looks like in this video we'll be going with the old high altitude balloon footage. So without further ado, let's take a look. I'm going to bet on globe, but only because I know the Earth is round. And I need to give you all a language warning. I tend to lose patience with this pretty quickly. So you may hear the C word repeatedly. Curvature! Sorry, curvature. Right there, curvature. Oh, look at that. Ain't nothing but curvature, brother. Just nothing but curvature as far as the eye can see. Incidentally, hey, can anyone tell me what's the only geometric shape that presents the same aspect no matter what angle you look at it from? That would be a sphere, kids. It's a sphere. Look at that curvature. Bouncing around a little bit, and it's hard to tell because of the sun's glare, but yeah, that's not flat. Clearly not flat. Flat Earth. Once again, I have to say I love you guys because there's just nobody that does a better job of debunking their own videos than you. Alright, so let's slow down a section of this and just evaluate what we're looking at here and the claim that's being made. Here we can see a hot spot created by the sun, which proves it is very close. Alright, well first we're looking at a standard image, not an infrared image, so I do not see how this person can claim that that spot is substantially hotter than anything around it. But furthermore, and we're going to see this in just a second, it's the C word. Yep, there's the curvature of Earth. Look at that. Fabulous. Fabulous. Oh, and for anyone who's wondering why the sun appears to be so large and bright and close, that's simply glare. If you were to properly shield your eyes and look at the sun, you could see that it actually appears much smaller, even though it's hundreds of times larger than Earth. The vast distance of 93 miles makes it appear tiny in the sky once you account for the glare. I'll go ahead and include a link to a video showing you exactly how to do that. Oh, but Madman, real experiments are hard and shitposting memes is so easy. In reality, there are a number of simple experiments that you can do yourself to prove the real shape of planet Earth. So the best part about this slowed down footage is that not only can you see the curvature of Earth from side to side in this picture, you can also see it in the quality of sunlight, starting right about where that stalk comes out from the balloon on the right and going toward the bottom center of the picture. You can see the quality of the sunlight has changed because of where the sun is and the curvature of Earth. And this is an important concept to grasp because not only is the curvature visible here from side to side, like I said, but also you can see in the quality of sunlight. For instance, on this picture, it's brighter on the right, and it's more shadow on the left. Once again, because Earth is not just curved from side to side, every aspect of it is curved from the bottom of this picture all the way up to where the Earth's surface disappears behind the curve. Okay, so apparently the very best proof of the flat Earth that 2017 Flat Earth Association has to offer is that this assertion. We're 33 kilometers up and the Earth is clearly not flat, and just saying that it is doesn't make it so. Craziness. Okay, so the problem with seeing any kind of actual rotation of the planet is twofold in this footage. First, there's really not a lot of land mass that you can observe. There's just clouds, so it's hard to see the rotation. And of course, the balloon itself is rotating. So any possibility of seeing actual rotation of Earth in this picture is zero. Although I would like to note that I do see a couple things missing in this picture, and one of them would be an ice wall surrounding the entirety of the of the Earth, or an infinite plane, which is the. I personally don't see either an ice wall or an infinite plane. I don't. Do you? I do not. Do you? And it will become apparent here in just a second that any kind of rotational motion that we were seeing is due to the balloon because it has just stopped and now it's starting to spin back in the opposite direction. So, yeah, best flat Earth proof. And so we've gone ahead and sped up quite a bit of this footage. Now this is interesting because this actually appears to be distorted by some sort of wide-angle lens. But even if this were the best footage that Flat Earth has, I'm still not seeing any ice wall or any infinite plane. Ay, caramba. Now, this footage, sped up though it is, shows a very nice curvature of the Earth. I do hope this video helped answer some questions. I want to give a big shout out and thanks to the Spherical Earth Society, and most especially our new member who suggested this video. You know who you are. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. If not, give us a thumbs down. In either event, we welcome your comments and feedback. Thank you very much again for watching. Until we speak again, treat yourselves and each other well. Peace out.